Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm glad you're here with me today. I've kind of taken a few days of a break, but I'm back to film. So anyway, today I have something actually from Temu, and I just wanted to try some of their eyeshadow palettes. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get to it. Okay, all right, friends. I am going to first, because I don't have my eyes done, I am going to take the first eyeshadow palette I got. This is what it looks like from the package. It just says, what is it? NECI Beauty. Or is that K? I don't know. Anyway, there you go. It is a dupe for Rare Beauty, the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. It looks real similar to it. It's actually a pretty heavy duty case, like the Rare Beauty, and it looks almost exact inside. There it is. So it's basically pinks and purples. I am going to, I think I'm going to, before I show the other palettes, I'm going to use this one and finish my eye look. So let's see. I think I'm pretty much going to do them all except for maybe this one. And we'll see how we do. So first I'm going to take... Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do something weird. Okay, so I also picked up, and I'm going to show pictures on screen of these, what they look like before I purchased them. Sometimes I have to admit with Temu, you don't always get what you see in the pictures. Usually everything's a lot smaller or different. But this actually... the picture shows she just has just this on, and it's just like a shimmer type thing. It looks blue to me in the package, but it kind of goes on just shimmery. It's kind of a jelly type consistency, but I'm just going to go put this on my whole eye kind of and give it that shimmer. See what it does. I think you have to build it to get the look that was on that picture. And I'm not going to do that because I'm going to put this other eyeshadow on. But let's just try this since I have it. I'll try to post the prices with the pictures up there. But anyway... so that didn't really do much, but I tried it. So I really think it could, if you built it up, it could give a real shine. Now I know if I put it, let me just put it right here. And it's building, it builds there. But anyway, you can see what the kind of shine it has. So anyway, looks like it would make a nice, I think it could be a nice highlighter. Anyway, okay. So let's go into the eyeshadow and get started. I'm trying to decide what to do first. I think I'm just going to go in with the lightest color and do it kind of on my eyelid. And I'm going to start there instead of in the crease. I think I'm going to go up. Take the color all the way up. It's real light, so I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to take that color. I might actually take this. There's this color right here. It's kind of a shimmer. I think I might take that one, and let's see if it makes a difference here. I think I'm going to mix it with the darker pink right here. So I think I'm going to mix those two together and see what I get here. I'm getting a much more pink. Almost scary. Let's see if we can blend that. Okay, so I guess now I'm going to go in with the darkest color, which is on the end here. And we'll just take that in the corners of the eye. Okay, I'm starting to like that. Okay, let's see here. So I'm going to take the darkest color again, and I'm just going to go under my eye right here. I'm going to tell you, I don't mind this eyeshadow so far. So okay, now I'm just going to take, a lot of times I take my finger, but I think I'm going to do a brush, and I'm just going to go in with this middle color. It's kind of a light, a sheer, it's kind of a white, a pink, light pink. So, and it's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to go right here. You know, I like the lighter look here. I do this. I'm going to bring it into my corner. Okay. So, I don't know. I need to look at it closer here in the mirror. It's kind of wild. Definitely need this. I think I need to tone down the color under here a little bit. I'm just going to take the brush with the lighter color already on it and just kind of tone that down. Okay, so there's that. I like it so far. It's not bad. I definitely need the eyeliner and the eyeshadow mascara. There we go. So let me go do that. I'm going to do it off camera, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the rest of the palettes. Okay, I'm back. That's the look. This is the Rare Beauty dupe. I'll show, there we go, and I'll show them the picture and the price. So I'm actually happy with that eyeshadow palette. Not bad at all. It seems like it works okay. So yeah, I'll probably actually use this. You know, I love the pink look. So anyway, that's one. The other one I showed was the this one that's supposed to build up to be like a really like just kind of a shiny eye look. So the next one, and I'm going to have to pull the picture up. I'm just looking at it now going, I don't know. The package is kind of cheap and small, and I know the picture made it look bigger. So this was just a variety of colors. I don't know. Not so impressed so far. I tried, I just wanted to get a few swatches. Let me see. I tried a couple. Now this one is swatching okay. So there's that. Let's see if I can get another one. I mean, these all look, they look, kind of look, well, they don't. They come on matte, but they kind of look shimmer. So let's see what we got here. There's 4 colors. They're not bad. It's just that it's just really cheap and small. I don't know if it's anything I would ever go to, but actually the colors aren't bad, and seeing that on, it's not too bad. But anyway, okay, I bought it so you don't have to kind of thing. But anyway, there we go. The next one I'm going to show is I don't even know. It doesn't really, this is the package, the outside. And I'm going to say something. These all were packaged so good. They were very protected. And I do like that for Temu, especially, that they would do that. So that was kind of cool. This, again, looked a lot bigger in the picture. This is all shimmers, okay? So, I'll try some of these too. It's a lot the same as the last. It feels a little bit heavier duty, but let's start with the white one they have here. Anyway, so there's that. Another I bought it so you don't have to type palette. I need to learn, and I kind of knew this, but it's like they're always going to be smaller than they look in the pictures. They make them look so big, and then you get them and you're like, So anyway, I mean, I really don't use a lot of Temu makeup, but it's kind of fun to experiment with it. And like I said, this one was a hit for me, and I love Rare Beauty products, but I like this. I like the color palette. So the last one came packaged in like a pink bag. Looked like Ipsy at first. And it is called the Fade into Hue palette. And this palette, oh, I was going to look before I did this, because I don't know what it's a dupe of. It kind of reminds me of one of Jeffree Star's, either a Jawbreaker or Psychedelic palette, but I know there's palettes out there like this that they just do the colors, all the colors. And so this was pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So you kind of have, it's kind of cool because if you want to just do a look in a certain color, they're all different ones there for you. They have both shimmer and mattes. And I think everyone just has one kind of a bright shimmer. Most of the other ones look pretty matte. So, I don't know if I'm going to... I'm going to do the middle row all the way through. So here's all the colors. They're kind of light. They don't seem like they're super pigmented, although I didn't really use a brush. I wonder if using a brush would make them stand out a little bit more. I don't know. Does define them a little bit more, I think. Anyway, but there's that. So I don't know how well these are going to go on. It might be worth a try because it kind of looks like a fun palette. But anyway, another maybe we like it, or maybe I bought it so you don't have to. Anyway, so that's it. That's the 5 palettes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, they're not all palettes. This was the shimmer. So I think this shimmer is, if you built it, I think it would be really pretty on the eye. If you wanted just to do that look alone, I think it could be real pretty. Or you could do it on your eyelid all the way and then do another color above it. I don't regret getting this because I'm going to have fun playing with it. So, and I like the texture and feel of it. It kind of goes on, it just goes on kind of nice. So I do like that. So anyway, there we go. Just another little Temu try on. I got my dress at Temu. I actually have another Temu video coming up. I got the 5 eye items, and I got 5 dresses. So I'm going to share the dresses in another video. My earrings I got these earrings in my last video. I showed with my spring vacation shopping haul. So they're kind of fun. I like the way they look. And they're real light. They're real light on my ears. So that, and then my hair is courtesy of my favorite person, my hairstylist. Her name's Carly, and she happens to be my niece. And I got my hair done 2 days ago, almost 3 days ago. I haven't washed it, and it's still cute from the way she styled it. I mean, I've slept on it, and I put it back in ponytails, and this is how it looks. I hope I can keep styling it the way she styled it, because I think she styled it really cute. But anyway, I just got about 3 inches cut, and so it doesn't look that different from the front, but it's just lighter. It just feels good. So I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think. And thank you for being here, friends. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.